Alright guys, Jason here with RPM. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Skidoo 850 non-turbo sport muffler from RPM. These are extremely lightweight stainless steel mufflers. We also have them in titanium, and they sound great, they fit great, and they're super lightweight. So this is a great way to make a really nasty sound out of your 850. So we're out here today at Rabbit Ears Pass. They just got a bunch of snow. It's real early in the season. I found that out when we smoked the rock on our 850 turbo earlier. But nonetheless, we're out here, we're riding, we're testing, and we're creating videos for sound clips. I know everyone wants to hear how's it sound, what's it sound like. So that's kind of what we do. That's what this video is going to be all about. You can pick these exhausts up on RPM SxS.com. But we know you guys came here for the sound clip, so let's cut to it.